Right, we are walking into staging here. T138. Let's see what we've got back here this morning. Again, it is Thursday. Things have gotten busy here. Check it out. 65 Ford 500 dual quad package, 427. Dyno test to 435. Dual hybrid for 10,000 produced that year. Cool. One of two known R code. 2 doors known to exist. Pretty stout. L78 powered Corvette. Fathom green. Another GS. This one's a 4-speed. 1970 Stage 1 coupe. You're busy here today. Wrong bad example. 72 Cheyenne Super. Very cool. I hear cars starting up. That's part of the Dean Goforth collection. Going over the block this afternoon. The diameter reads 57,000 miles. Functional factory AC and dual exhaust. So, again, man, you're looking for a beast mode pickup. This is it. T95 is moving forward. 1965, 396, 425 horse. Grumble. The Shelby GTH convertible. These are cars going over the block, and we've already seen some pretty solid prices this morning, even though it's only Thursday. Check out this 2000 Hearst. Carroll Shelby signature inside. Dig that sting right now. Alright, bringing it up. In front of that, we've got an Austin Healey.
Where's this truck?
This one's a 54. Nice. Seems to be a year for big Pontiacs. A lot of big Pontiacs here this year.
Reserve! It is off! 76, 77, 77, 77,
There we go. T96. That's a 63 Catalina hardtop. Drag racing heritage to it. Krager Super Tricks all the way around. Nice Carrera Patina. We'll be back. Stuff going into the building. The Speedster modified V8 Ford. Set up for right-hand drive. Very, very nice. Leather interior. Let's see what that one does later. Pretty cool styling. Louvers on the body, louvers on the hood. Ford V8 emblem hubcaps. Very, very nice. T95. Discovered in Argentina. They've been completed in 1950s. Nice. Hey man, what's up? How are you? All right, it's Thursday morning and we're walking the line. T99.1 has got a cross ram. It's a Z28, 69. Cross ram intake, 4-speed transmission. Getting ready to pull this one up. Spoiler package, bumper guards. Bunch of cross ram 69 Camaros here this weekend. 38,000 miles on this one. 21,000 miles on this one. T101, 61 Cadillac Series 2. It's got that 390 cubic inch engine. Turbo hydro automatic. Drop top. And incredibly long body lines on these things. This is a big, big car. You can see for 60 the styling was changing. The fins were getting smaller. I would do a compare on these Cadillacs. So Series 62 convertible, 1961, 390 cubic inch motor in it, in total beast mode. Updated air conditioning compressor, black and white leather interior, white cloth top. Turbine styled hubcaps. A step forward several decades. It's 2008 Cadillac convertible as well. With a supercharged 4.4 liter engine, automatic transmission, leather interior. 30,000 miles with clean Carfaxes with it. Selling at no reserve today. So, Cadillac Heritage right here. A couple of great cars going over the block this morning. Just dropping the hood. It's absolutely no reserve. Somebody's going to be happy. This is stunker. LS3 Corvette. Ferrari T104. No reserve. Coming from the Schroeder collection. Nice interior in this one. Porsche. Turbo Cabriolet, 2004. This vehicle, T107 Corvette, 75. 350 cubic inch motor. And here's a Camaro SS from 1998. 21,000 miles, highly original, unrestored condition. Another row, getting ready to go over the block here. You can see these cars have pulled forward, so we're close to these coming up. Car getting a lot of attention this morning. This is one of 3 built 1968 Hemi Coronets, convertibles. Again, midnight blue paint with a lighter blue interior. Automatic. 150 mile an hour dash, AM radio. There's one of only 9 built. One of one as equipped. Research reports by both Galen Govier and Dave Wise. 3 known to exist. 15-inch Steelies. Got that Hemi grumble in there. Special RT panel for 1968. Now you see what this car does. Very, very cool, very rare Mopar going over the block on Thursday morning. Let's see what happens. 68, of course, had this hood trim, no fresh air available till 69. 68 simply got that special chrome edge, and 69 they went to the Ram Charger package. Cool Hemi car.
48.
All right,
47.
those two Cadillacs earlier. There's no reserve on that 61. Sitting at 47,000 right now. So gonna hammer it.
So, 47.
$47,000. Here goes our Hemi Coronet.
2008.
How are you doing?
Good, buddy. How you?
30,000 low miles with 3 cars back. No reserve in the B.
Became your boy.
60,000.
What's that?
Whatever became of your boy? What became of your boy?
Yeah. Yeah, he's still working. The car's gone, but he's still working. So it's good.
7.
Chase this Hemi Coronet down here, but I was trying to cover this Cadillac Hemi car getting pushed into the building. Crazy. All right, here we go. This is that 68 Coronet RT, one of 3 known to exist on the planet. One of 1 is documented. We're sitting at 2 1/4 on it right now. Broadcast sheet included, Dave Wise report included. See it coming over the block, and we'll see it live here in a second. We're sitting at 200 now.
Get closer to 200,000. Get closer to 2, closer to 300.
All right.
Now I'll bring T110.
Closed at 200. Ask us 3.
Rotisserie custom build. Got a big block 454. Holly sniper fuel injection. Tremec 5 speed.
All right. Bid goes on.
Retail rate.
Here at Mecum. Hemi Challenger. Gonna sell.
210,000. 205. 210. 205. 10. 210 again. 10. 210. 215. 215. 215,000. 215,000. $215,000.
Now,
215,000.
that's real money on that Challenger. Pretty good.
215,000. 200. You get 215,000. Okay, 205, 275, 210, 210, 210, 210, $210,000. Once, twice, last call, 210. So, $207,500 Nick Strickland.
And now the next 10 cars are
Again,
all in the
71 Hemi Challenger.
collection.
Stout money, man.
F80 on the block now.
Watch it roll by.
1959 Cadillac vertical conversion with a 398 and automatic. No reserve.
And somebody get $200,000, Jay, you're gonna get 200. And $200,000, Jay, you're gonna get 2. Give 150, give 100. And $100,000, and 150, you're gonna get 10, 20, 30, 30, baby, you're gonna get 30, you're gonna get 40, baby, you're gonna get 40, you're gonna get 30, you're gonna get 40. At 40, baby, you're gonna get 50,000, you're gonna get 50, baby, you're gonna get 40, you're gonna get 50.
426 Hemi RT. Out the door it goes.
1,700 for it is. Please note that this vehicle has been in long-term museum storage and will likely require essential basic services prior to driving on the road, including but not limited to fuel system, carburetor, battery, brakes, etc.